So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can verify your Google Search Console account using just a plugin called Yoast Seo plugin. So in today's video, I'll be making it very simple, straightforward, and easy understanding. Yes, my last video, I taught how I spoke on how you can verify your Google My Business account, which so many of you saw and some of you appreciated that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can verify your Google Search Console account using a plugin called Yoast SEO plugin. So if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Doing this will appreciate that. Doing this will encourage me to do more helpful video like this. Also, do not also forget to like, share this video, comment what you think, comment your thoughts in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe. That is the most important part of this. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making it easy, straightforward, and what again, simple. So because of this video, I have to create a new website just for this tutorial, but it is subdomain website. So domain or subdomain, you can also use it to verify. So if you're having a subdomain or a domain, you can use it to verify your Google Search Console account. So let's start. As you can see, nothing here. As you can see, it's a new. You can see one post, one comment, one page. This is how you see in every new website. So I'll be using a plugin. Click plugin. So click add new. When I click on add new, it is loading. So you click here, search plugins, and I search Yoast SEO plugin. Let me search. Yes. So this is the plugin. So you click on install. It's now installing. So it's now installing. Let's wait. As you can see, installed. Click on activate. So let's wait for it. Please, while you are waiting, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Forget about this. So let's go. As you can see, SEO. Click on. Okay, before that, let's just do it like this. Install plugin. Click on the setting. Click on setting. So since you want to verify your Google Search Console, we will only be focusing to verify that. So you click on Webmaster Tools. As you can see, you click. So this is the area we need to verify your Google Search Console. Here, that is the place we need. So the next thing for us to do is just copy your website and type on Google search console. Then you click the first one, click on start. Sorry. I'm hiding my Gmail for so here we have the domain property and we have the prefix URL prefix property. So in today's video I will be using this I'll be using this. So I will click here. Since I'm using the URL, I'll just paste the code. Sorry, I copied the wrong link. So we are using this. So I'll paste the link here and I'll press continue. So of verifying this. So as you can see here, HTML file, which you will do this to get verified. So but in today's video I'll be using the second one HTML tag. Yes, I'll be using this one. So when I click this is the link and click on copy. So as you can see, link is already copied. The next thing for us to do now is to go back to our website and input the code we copied to our Yoast plugin. So let me input the code I just copied now. Put the code now, and don't forget navigate to webmaster for you to verify your Google search console. Then the code you copied, paste it here, Google verification code, paste, and go back here, slide down and click on save changes. Let me click that. Settings now saved. So next thing we need to do now is to go back here and press verified. Since we use this method, when you click on verified, they will verify your account immediately. Click on verified. As you are loading, as you are waiting, checking for verification, as you can see, it is very simple. As you can see, ownership now verified. Go to properties or done. So if this is your first time, I'm going to appreciate this And for you to always watch helpful video like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share, and comment. So most especially subscribe now. So when I click on go to property, as you can see, so this is how to verify your Google Search Console using Yoast plugin. Yoast SEO plugin is a powerful plugin that you can use to do many things for your SEO. Just do exactly as I have said in this video, and you get your Google Search Console account set up. Thanks for watching this video.